Okay, so the first thing in the tutorial is we need to get you set up with Kali Linux, right? And the best way to do this is use VMware. Now you can use VirtualBox, but I'm gonna do is show you guys how to use VMware because that's something I'll be basically making the tutorial with. And you know, it's easier if you use the same software as I'm using, but I'm pretty sure VirtualBox is very similar. Right, so the first thing you need to do is go to VMware. Now all the links should be in the course. If not, just type in VMware Workstation 17 Player. It should be our website, VMware. And just go to Products, go to Workstation Player, go to Download for Free. It should take you to a new website. And as you can see, what we have is a version of VMware. Now, don't download this one, right? Basically, I would do is because 17.5 is broken, right? So what I would do is select 17.0, go to downloads, and as you can see, you have a version 17.5. What I recommend is either anything between 17.02 to 17. I would choose these three. Do not choose 17.5 because as of today, it is broken and it does not work. The whole virtual machine lags, you cannot type stuff, and your keyboard freezes. So if you like type space or something, it will just keep, it will basically loop the space and you won't be able to do anything and you have to restart the whole virtual machine. So download VMware 17.2 or anything below. I use, as of today, I use 17.0 and it is working. Either for Linux or Windows. I guess you're on Windows, right? So just download Windows, install it. It should be very easy. It takes about 2 seconds to install and there's nothing difficult. So I'm just gonna go straight to installing VMware. Go to kali.org, download. And what you need to do is do not use installer images because this takes too long. Use virtual machines, recommended. And use basically, I would say do not download the weekly ones, just download the VMware. Make sure to not use torrent, docs or some, just use the normal one. Okay, so once you have basically everything installed, what you need to do now is extract the zip file, right? And then once you extract it, you'll get a folder. And now what you do is go to the folder and you need to click on the folder. On the file, which is this one, right? It has these three icons. That is a virtual machine icon, right? There's no other files. Once you click on this, you should get the VMware to load the virtual machine for you, as you can see right now, right? And I'm just going to take you through how to launch Kali. So let's just close this. We can close this. We can put it full screen. And it should take a couple of seconds because this is basically what happens. This is already pre-installed, and what we can do is we can upgrade our Kali to get the rest of the tools or get upgrades and stuff, right? So what I'm just gonna let is I'm gonna let this load, and I'm gonna come back to you when the loading screen loads up so I can take you through the logging in, right? So see you then, guys. Oh, actually I don't have to, I think. Oh, and by the way, if you want to, because what happens is if you get on the screen of virtual machine, especially if you have two monitors, or if you want to leave the virtual machine, right? Because if right now, what I can do is if I'm on the Kali, what I can do is go left and right between my monitors. But maybe if you're doing something, you want to go back to the Kali, all you do is press Ctrl and Alt, right? Ctrl and Alt, it takes you back to the Kali. So if you do Kali, right? Let's minimize it. You might have to do is minimize the virtual machine and put up that's just how it happens, but it's not a big issue, right? Right, as you can see, if you press Ctrl and Alt, it goes back to your host machine, right? And also you need to know two things. This is a virtual machine, this is a guest machine, and our actual computer, right? This is actual physical computer, this is our host machine, right? So these are the two things you need to know, right? So it's just, right? Okay, so I hope you installed your Kali. I hope you don't have any problems on the way. It is a very quick installation, and this is the fastest way because what you can also do is install with ISO, but ISO takes about 40 minutes to install, right? Which is, if you think about it, this takes 5-10 minutes, and the ISO takes 40 minutes. right? Unless you have a very, very fast drive, then maybe it'll take faster and a good computer, right? So you should have access to another tutorial, which should be basically using Kali Linux. So see you then, guys. Thank you for watching.